Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix there was a problem while playing Playback ID Error in YouTube. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet working or not. Then open your Google Play Store. Then search here YouTube. If your YouTube app not up to date, then update from here. If already up to date, then go back, go to the settings, go to the apps, then search here YouTube. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, then press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and the app data. Then press on OK. After doing this method, once you restart your phone, hope your problem will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this video, you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.